Acumatica's native integration with Shopify POS connects your storefront with Acumatica inventory and warehouse management, order fulfillment and shipping, accounting and financials, order management, customer relationship management, and real-time business data, providing a flexible back-office system that grows with your company. Shopify POS allows you to offer customers the best shopping experience. Omnichannel selling lets customers buy in-store, have items shipped, or buy online and pick up, exchange, or return in-store. Inventory management includes purchase orders, transfers, stock adjustments, and inventory counts. Staff management allows for roles and permissions, manager approvals, and unique login pins. Customer management gives sellers visibility into customer profiles, order history, rewards and loyalty programs, tags, and marketing. Let's take a look at how Shopify POS connects with Acumatica for a holistic shopping experience. Log in to Shopify POS with a unique login pin to track employee sales and protect customer, sales, and employee data. Since the products reside in Acumatica, you can choose which products are shown in Shopify POS. View product lists, available inventory, and pricing information from Acumatica inside the Shopify POS application. Shopify POS provides users with access to Acumatica inventory levels and items available at their location, as well as at other stores and warehouses. Manage inventory levels across warehouses and stores within Acumatica. Automatically sync data for specific Shopify POS locations, providing users with real-time stock levels to thrill customers and boost sales. Next, let's see how store personnel process customer purchases with Shopify POS. We are logged into Shopify POS as the store clerk. When a customer comes to the counter with the product they want to buy, we can scan the barcode on the box or look up the product. This camera is on sale. The sales price is defined in Acumatica. You can also set effective dates and ranges for product sales and special promotions, such as buy one, get one deals or other promotional discounts. Shopify provides credit card terminals to capture credit and debit card payments during checkout. You can alternatively enter card information manually or leverage connected cash registers for cash payments. Once the payment has been approved, the receipt can be printed or delivered to the customer via email or SMS text messaging. The Shopify order automatically appears in Acumatica as a sales order with real-time data synchronization. The order is now ready to process since the camera has already been paid for and has been received by the customer. It is easy to process Shopify point-of-sale orders in Acumatica for individual or multiple transactions. For businesses that do not want to review POS orders manually, this process can be fully automated based on schedules. Shopify POS and Acumatica also support ship-to-customer scenarios. Perhaps the item the customer wants is available at another location, or the customer prefers to have large or heavy products delivered. Ship-to-customer options optimize the shopping experience, providing flexibility to fulfill the order based on buyer preferences. Shipments for ship-to-customer orders are easily created from the sales order inside Acumatica. Choose which warehouse or store to ship from, print the pick list, and prepare the item for shipment. Acumatica provides embedded WMS to streamline order picking, packing, and shipment processing with connections to small parcel, LTL, truckload, or other carriers. Shopify POS creates loyal buyers by offering customers flexible options, such as buying online and picking up, returning, or exchanging items in-store. Discover why Acumatica customers love Acumatica's seamless connectivity with Shopify applications. Scale your Shopify retail business with Acumatica's back-office automation for order processing, fulfillment, and inventory management. Elevate the customer experience to boost sales and create lifelong buyers.